Hello friends, I welcome you to the today's episode of Ask Me Anything. I am going to talk today on the most important part, that is the immunity. Now you might be thinking that I am maybe talking related to some food articles, some health supplements, some capsules, tablets. No. Today I am going to talk on very important part, that is called as an activity. That is a physical activity. Now how this physical activity plays an important role to boost immunity. Nowadays, you know that suppose if you have a minor fever or if you have the symptoms like cough or cold and you visit the hospital, so the hospital administration first ask you for the COVID test. And mostly 99% of the people have such type of issue due to the seasonal change, such as rainy season. So in this condition, if you are COVID negative also, the stressful condition is that you go and visit the lab, and after visiting the lab you give the samples, you come in contact with many of the other people, so that becomes a mess. So how we can cope up with these things, how we can prevent from these types of seasonal diseases or some seasonal allergic condition? So I just tell you that you have to follow only simple two steps, and if you follow these steps, and you will see there is a change in your lifestyle. So what are the steps? First of all, whenever you get early in the morning, I believe that after completion of your day to day morning activities, then you can go for a simple walk for 15 minutes. Second, after that you have to continue it with a jogging for 3 to 4 minutes. Then at the end you have to sum up with the fast walking for again for 14 to 15 minutes. So if you follow this pattern for more than a week, you will see the changes. What are the changes? That is, there is an adrenaline rush. Because of that you will feel fresh, and apart from that, any minor infections which are been occurring due to the seasonal changes, these will be prevented. Now if you talk about what is the mechanism behind this all thing, we know that by activities we have sweating. Second one, there is increase in the pulse and heart rate. So because of that, the blood flow increases in your vital organs, and during this time what will happen, whatever the WBCs are there, they are flushing out all over the body part with a single stroke. So this will result into the increase in the immunity, and also it will increase the vital capacity of your lung, okay, to hold the oxygen. So once the oxygen capacity has been increased along with the increased blood flow and activities of WBC, then automatically the body will develop its own immune system. That means your immune system get recharged. So I only will suggest you that if you follow this pattern for not for the more than month, I believe that initially if you follow this pattern for the period of a week, so automatically you will understand the what are the drastic changes that has been taken place, and you yourself will continue this activities for the longer time. So I only will suggest you follow this step and see the changes. And this is the mantra for today, that some activities will increase your immunity automatically.